Megan here from the blog Backroad Bloom, and I'm really excited because this is my very first YouTube video, so I'm excited to be sharing more content on YouTube with you guys. And today is really fun because I'm actually collaborating with a few other blogger friends and YouTube friends, and we are all sharing with you guys a little bit of Valentine's Day inspiration. So I made this DIY rose petal sugar scrub, and this would be a really great Valentine's Day gift for your girlfriends, or you can make it for yourself. So I'll show you how to make this. It's really easy and so fun. So I love making sugar scrubs, especially in the winter time, because I get really dry skin, and they're great for moisturizing your skin and exfoliating, and they're just really fun. It makes you feel like you're having your own little at-home spa experience, and they're really great as gifts. You can make them really cute. I just put some tulle on top of this jar and secured it with a little clear elastic. But you could use like a colored fabric or some ribbon, some baker's twine, anything you want to make it really cute as a handmade Valentine's Day gift. And the other thing that I used in this recipe was these dried rose petals. I got these off of Amazon, so I'll include a link to them below. They're really easy to use because they're already broken up into little pieces. If you use your own rose petals that you dry yourself, you'll probably have to use a blender or food processor so that it gets broken up when you're making it. And rose petals in this recipe just make it look so pretty in the jar because you can see all of the little, let's see if you can see that. You can see all of the little rose petals, and it smells really good too. Okay, so follow along and I'll show you guys how to make this. So you want to start with 1 cup of sugar, just plain white sugar, and pour it into a mixing bowl. Then you'll add 1/3 cup of oil. I'm using almond oil here. I really like to use almond oil. You can also use coconut oil or olive oil, any kind of oil that works well with skin. Now add 1/4 cup of your dried rose petals. Stir it up. I bought my rose petals off of Amazon. You can also dry your own rose petals. Just make sure that the roses haven't been treated with any chemicals so that they're safe to use on your skin. Mix it all together. By the way, the full recipe for this with a printable recipe card is on our blog at www.backroadbloom.com, and you can catch the link to that in the description below. Now I just added 10 to 15 drops of essential oils. I used my Serenity essential oil blend that I really like. It's really calming, and I just thought it would fit well with this, especially to use it in the shower. But you can use any kind of essential oil blend that you like, that smells good and that works well with your skin. And mix it all up. And now you're ready to put it in your jars. It's that easy, so simple and quick. I put mine in one of my favorite little mason jars, and then I topped it off with some pieces of tulle and a little clear elastic to secure it. Super cute as a handmade gift or a DIY Valentine's gift for your girlfriends. I hope that was easy enough to follow along to. It's really simple and easy, and that's why I love it too, because it's so quick to make up. And then you have a really fun handmade gift, or you can keep it for yourself, of course. If you liked this video, be sure to subscribe below. Still getting used to the video creation, so hopefully my videos get a little bit more professional looking in the future, but I'm excited to share more. And be sure to subscribe below if you want to continue following along, and like or comment and let me know what you think. And get the links below to the other videos in this Valentine's Day collaboration, as well as the links to the products that I used to make this DIY rose sugar scrub. And happy early Valentine's Day, everybody!